Hey guys, today I will show you how to download and install EA Sports FC 26 game on your PC or laptop. So first head over to the Steam website and click on the sign in option you will see on the top and simply create the Steam account. After you create the Steam account, click on the Start Steam option you'll see on the top, click on the Start Steam and download and install the Steam on your PC. After you install Steam, open it up, sign in your account, click on the top search box and just type the game name, which is FC26. You'll find this game on the top, so just open it up. Once you open the game page, scroll down. If you want to download the complete game, then click on this add to cart option. Now you need to go and click on view my cart option. Now simply click on continue to payment and go ahead pay the amount for this game. After you pay the amount for this game, you will find this game in your library of Steam. Go to your library of Steam, find this game, click on install. That's how you can download and install this game. If you find this guide useful, please like it and thanks for watching.